Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to screenshot full page on Chrome browser. Friends, we all use Chrome browser and by the help of this extension you can easily take screenshot of full web page. So first you need to open Chrome browser. Here search for Chrome Web Store. Now click on extensions. Now here search for full page screenshot. Now here click on add to Chrome. Now here click on add extension. Now friends, full page screenshot is installed on my Chrome browser. Now I will open a page to take screenshot. Now I will try to take screenshot of this web page. Now here press on download. Now friends, from here you can open your downloaded file. Now friends, our file is open and as you can see I have taken the screenshot very easily on Chrome browser. So friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.